Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Training Group. What I'm talking about today is the last personal tax installment of 2021. And I talk about this quite a bit, but I get a lot of questions about it. So the thing about the December 15th personal income tax installment, which is coming up, is that it's the last one for 2021. So if you have not sent in any money yet for your personal tax installment, this is your last chance to consider whether that was the right thing to do. So the way it works, if CRA asks you to send in an installment, that's because they believe you owed money last year or the year before, and they like to get their money up front. So they're going to ask you for that money. If you don't pay it, one of two things will happen, which depend on whether you owe the money or not. If you don't pay it and you don't owe the money, not a problem. If you don't pay it, well, when you do your tax return in April of 2022, and it turns out that you have a balance owing when you finish that tax return, then you not only owe that income tax, but you owe installment interest because you did not pay the installment you were asked to pay. So on or before December 15th, you have to figure out if you think, on average, you're going to owe more money for income tax in 2021 than you've already paid. And if so, you should send them the money. And there's no actual disadvantage to sending them the money and it turns out you don't owe it, because they'll send it back. I've seen this with my own eyes. You get the money back. But if you don't pay it and you owe it, you're going to pay interest. So if you've got the money and they've asked you to pay it, it's my recommendation that you do pay it, because if you don't owe it, you'll get it back. So figure it all out before December 15th.